If you've ever needed access to your files without Wi-Fi, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to use offline mode in Google Drive step by step so you can keep working even when you're not connected to the internet. This is super useful for travel, school, work, or anytime your connection drops and you still need your documents. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Google Drive tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Drive in your browser. Once you're on the Drive homepage, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon. That gear icon opens your settings, and that's where you'll turn on offline access. After you click the gear icon, select Settings from the menu. This will open the Google Drive settings window where you can manage how Drive works on your device. Now, in the General section, look for the Offline option. You want to check the box that says Offline. This tells Google Drive to prepare your files so they can be opened and edited without an internet connection. Once that box is selected, click Done to save your changes. At this point, Google will begin preparing offline access in the background, so give it a moment to finish setting things up. Now, turning on offline mode is only part of the process. If you want certain files to be ready even when you're disconnected, you can also make specific files available offline. To do that, go back to your files in Google Drive, right-click the document, spreadsheet, or presentation you want to use offline, and choose Available Offline. This is a great option if you only need certain important files to work without internet, instead of syncing your entire drive. And here's something important to know. Offline mode works best with Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. So if you're editing those file types, you can still make changes while offline, and Google Drive will sync everything automatically once your internet connection comes back. That means you don't have to worry about losing your work. Your updates are saved locally and then uploaded later when you're back online. If you're using Drive on a shared or work computer, just make sure you're signed into the correct Google account before enabling offline mode, because the offline files will be tied to that account. Also, if you ever want to turn offline access off again, you can return to the same settings area and disable the offline option. That gives you full control over when Drive stores files for offline use. So to quickly recap, open Google Drive, click the gear icon, go to Settings, enable offline in the General section, click Done, and then right-click any file you want and mark it available offline. That's all it takes to use offline mode in Google Drive. It's a simple feature, but it can save you a lot of time and stress when you need to keep working without internet access. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.